Are you on the hunt for the perfect camera to unleash your creativity? Look no further. Sony has established itself as a leader in the photography world, offering an impressive array of cameras that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals. From stunning mirrorless models to versatile compacts, Sony cameras combine cutting-edge technology with exceptional image quality. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best Sony cameras available today, highlighting their standout features, strengths, and ideal use cases. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or candid portraits, there's a Sony camera that's perfect for you. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Sony A7 III. Our pick for best budget Sony camera. If you're searching for a full-frame camera that won't put a serious dent in your finances, look no further than the Sony A7 III. This camera is a perfect blend of impressive features and affordability, making it an ideal choice for both budding photographers and seasoned pros alike. With a 696-point autofocus system and eye autofocus, capturing sharp images has never been easier. Whether you're photographing a fast-moving subject or creating stunning 4K videos, this camera offers performance that meets your creative needs. The 5-axis image stabilization ensures your shots remain steady even if your hands aren't, providing up to 5 exposure value of compensation for remarkable smoothness. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated sensor and advanced image processor, the A7 III excels in low-light conditions, allowing your images to shine with exceptional detail and depth. While the camera may feel slightly compact, particularly with larger lenses attached, the extensive array of Sony and compatible third-party lenses gives you endless creative possibilities. In summary, the Sony A7 III stands out as one of the best options in full-frame photography that won't require major sacrifices. Embrace your passion for photography, capture life's moments, and let your creativity thrive, all while staying within your budget. The Sony A7 III is ready to accompany you on your photographic journey. Number 4. Sony Alpha 7 RV, our pick for best Sony camera for resolution. You might assume the Sony A7 RV is solely about its impressive 61-megapixel sensor, but there's much more to discover. This camera is designed for those who demand excellence in their photography, much like bringing a gourmet experience to brunch. The resolution allows you to capture stunning details, making your portraits, landscapes, and product shots truly come alive. You'll appreciate being able to zoom in on wildlife photography without sacrificing quality, and the 10 frames per second burst mode ensures you can capture fast-moving subjects with ease. However, let's address the ergonomics. While the A7RV has a compact body, pairing it with a larger professional lens can create a bit of a balance challenge. Its control layout is familiar and dependable. Think of it as your favorite pair of jeans. Comfortable but not flashy. The real standout feature is the advanced AI subject recognition autofocus, which seamlessly identifies and tracks subjects, making your shooting experience smooth and intuitive. Additionally, the enhanced stabilization feels like having a personal assistant, ensuring your shots remain steady, even at high resolutions. If you're a serious photographer who values exceptional resolution and performance, the A7RV could become your essential tool. Just be prepared to dive into its customization options to fully harness its capabilities. Your photography journey deserves this level of sophistication. Number 3. Sony A6700, our pick for best advanced photo system, Type-C Sony camera. If you're a hobbyist in search of a capable hybrid camera, the Sony A6700 could be just what you need. With its 26 multi-gigapixel advanced photo system Type-C sensor and an impressive 759-point phase detection autofocus system, this camera captures sharp, balanced images that meet your creative aspirations. You'll appreciate the real-time recognition autofocus feature, which accurately recognizes and tracks various subjects, ensuring your shots are consistently in focus. When it comes to video, the A6700 doesn't disappoint. It delivers stunning 4K video at 60 pixel, oversampled from 6K, resulting in crisp, vibrant footage in well-lit conditions. However, be mindful of some limitations. You may notice noise at higher ISO settings, and the metering system can struggle with underexposure on overcast days. For those who want to shoot in 4K 120 pixel, keep in mind there's a 1.6x crop, and in-body image stabilization may not always perform perfectly during handheld shooting. While navigating the complex menu system may take some time to get used to. The camera's deeper grip and direct access controls enhance the handling experience. Although it isn't without its flaws, the Sony a6700 stands out as a strong option for anyone seeking a compact advanced photo system Type-C hybrid with exceptional autofocus capabilities. If you're ready to elevate your photography and videography, this camera is certainly worth considering. Number 2, Sony RX100 our pick for best premium Sony camera. The Sony RX100 is the perfect travel companion you've been looking for, equipped with a versatile zoom lens that enhances your photography experience. With a full-frame equivalent focal length range of 24 to 200 mm, this compact camera allows you to capture everything from breathtaking landscapes to those adorable close-ups of that dog across the park. Plus, it features a convenient pop-up viewfinder and flash, ensuring you're prepared for any photo opportunity. While smartphones are handy for quick snaps, there's something uniquely satisfying about using a dedicated camera. The RX100 features a 1-inch stacked sensor larger than many compact cameras, delivering exceptional image quality in a surprisingly small package. Its autofocus system is impressively quick, enabling you to easily capture fast-moving subjects with precision. If you're a vlogger, you might consider the alternate model, which shares the same 1-inch sensor and outstanding autofocus capabilities. The trade-off here is sacrificing the viewfinder and some zoom range, but the benefits of capturing high-quality video on the go make it a worthy consideration. With the RX100 at your side, you'll be ready for any adventure, resulting in stunning memories that you'll cherish forever. Don't settle for the blurry photos when you have the opportunity to elevate your travel photography with this pocket-sized powerhouse. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV, our pick for best Sony camera overall. How do you enhance one of the best mirrorless cameras ever made? That's the challenge Sony faced with the A7 IV. The A7 III set a remarkable standard, revolutionizing camera technology and remaining a top choice for photographers and videographers alike. With the A7 IV, Sony aimed for more than just an ordinary model. It designed a versatile powerhouse that exceeds the A7 III in nearly every aspect. You'll experience increased resolution, improved speed, enhanced autofocus, and sophisticated tracking algorithms. The A7 IV blurs the lines between Sony's other A7 offerings, targeting creators who value both quality and adaptability. If you're a hybrid shooter who wants a camera capable of excelling in diverse scenarios, the A7 IV is tailored for you. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, stunning portraits, or high-resolution 4K videos, this camera is up to the task. It's ideal for those who refuse to specialize, but still demand exceptional performance across various projects. However, be mindful that the advanced features come at a higher price point, placing it in closer competition with other brands. Ultimately, the A7 IV delivers a comprehensive and versatile photographic experience, making it the perfect companion for anyone seeking to elevate their creative pursuits. With the A7 IV in your hands, you'll be equipped to explore your artistic vision like never before. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which Sony camera you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.